Exotic. Let us learn about the word exotic. Generally, this word defines strange, unusual, rare, etc. In this video, we are going to see the list of strange things in this universe, and at last there's a small twist. So don't skip the video in between and get to know more interesting things. As of today, the first strange thing we are going to talk about is nuclear pasta. The relatively small, unbelievably dense stars that form after massive suns collapse under their own gravity is called nuclear pasta. Just like how the dish is made in 3 steps, let us see how nuclear pasta is formed in 3 steps. Step 1. Boil one large dying star until it goes supernova and explodes. This could take a billion years, so be patient. Step 2. Vigorously stir any leftover protons and electrons inside the star's shriveled core until they merge into a soup of ultra-dense neutrons. Apply as much gravity as possible. Step 3. Scrunch the neutron stew into an airtight sphere the size of Toronto. Cover in a crystalline crust and serve at 1.08 million degrees Fahrenheit, which is 600,000 degrees Celsius. Yay! You have just made one of the universe's strangest concoctions, nuclear pasta. Just like your regular pasta, nuclear pasta makes great leftovers. Unlike regular pasta, which can break easily, nuclear pasta is the strongest substance in the universe. An interesting fact about nuclear pasta is that a sugar cube's worth of matter would weigh more than 1 billion tons inside a neutron star, roughly the weight of Mount Everest. This is not the only star that had formed after Sun's massive collapse. There are many more stars like these, and the next unusual thing that is present in our universe is the planet Haumea, which has rings. Haumea has rings. The football-shaped dwarf planet Haumea, which is surrounded by an almost perfectly circular ring of particles, is the most distinct ringed object in the solar system. Haumea's ring is too faint to be seen from planet Earth, so astronomers have turned to context clues to find out more about these particles. Astronomers have pretty solid evidence that Haumea has a ring, though no one has actually observed the ring directly. The feature is too narrow and distinct to see through a ground-based telescope, and no spacecraft has ever flown by Haumea to take photos of a dwarf planet up close. So Haumea's ring is still pretty round, but it isn't as perfectly round as research has suggested. And even though the ring particles appear to be in an orbital resonance with Haumea, their periodic orbits don't form a nice whole number ratio with Haumea's orbit after all. Still, research on Haumea and its rings is going on, so we can expect more discoveries in the future regarding them. Haumea may be one of the first planets to have rings, but it is nothing extraordinary. Out of the 8 planets in our solar system, the planet Saturn has rings too. Speaking about the solar system, let us see about the moon with a moon.
Fascinated hearing about these exotic things? Hang on, there are more exotic things coming your way. Make sure you like the video and press the subscribe button to watch more amazing videos.